Hi friends, in this video I would be showing what is auto display refresh rate and how to use it, how this works. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel, please like and share the video. First go to settings, then go to display, then go to display refresh rate, set display refresh rate to auto. Okay, after that close this settings, then again go to settings app, then go down, go to about phone, then go to device identifiers. Here you can see build number. On build number we need to tap 7 times. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. See the message, you are now a developer. Go back, tap on system, tap on developer options. Under developer options go to debugging section. See, under debugging section we can find show refresh rate. Tap here. Now on top left corner you can see the refresh rate. So let me close this. Then go to settings. You can see refresh rate is automatically changing. It shows 60, 90, 120. See, now it shows 120. See, now it's 60. So that is the auto or variable refresh rate. So let me go to display refresh rate. So here I have selected auto. That is the reason it shows 60, 90, 120. It's automatically changing the refresh rate. Let me set 60. Now I manually set 60 refresh rate. Now you can see it's not changing. See, now phone is not changing the refresh rate. It shows 60 only because I forcefully set 60 refresh rate. Okay, I think now you understand what this is auto. Auto means variable refresh rate. So we can set 60 or 120. We can forcefully set 60 or 120. So I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.